Welcome to Knowledge Park. Today, we are going to talk about an organ that works 24/7, never takes a holiday, and is absolutely essential for your life. It's not the heart or the brain, but the unsung hero inside you, your liver. Think of your liver as your body's master chemist, its central processing unit, and its detox center, all rolled into one. By the end of this video, you will not only understand its amazing functions, but also know exactly how to take care of it. So let's begin. First, let's locate this powerhouse. Your liver is situated mainly on the upper right side of your abdomen, right here, under your rib cage. It's quite large. In fact, it's your largest internal organ, weighing about 1.5 kilograms. It's shaped like a wedge and is always busy. What makes it unique is its dual blood supply. It gets blood from two pipes. The hepatic artery brings fresh, oxygen-rich blood from the heart. The hepatic portal vein brings all the nutrients that your intestines have absorbed from your food. This means everything you eat goes straight to the liver for inspection and processing before it goes to the rest of your body. It's the ultimate security checkpoint. Now, let's break down the three main superpowers of your liver. I promise to explain it in the simplest way possible. After you have a meal, your liver becomes a metabolic factory for carbohydrates, like sugars and grains. When you eat, blood sugar rises. The liver stores the extra sugar as glycogen. Think of it as your body's battery backup. Between meals, when your sugar levels drop, the liver breaks down this glycogen to release sugar into the blood, giving you a steady supply of energy. During fasting, it can even make new sugar from proteins. For proteins, like dal, chicken, paneer, the liver breaks down protein. But this process creates a toxic substance called ammonia. Your liver instantly converts this ammonia into urea, which is safely sent to your kidneys and flushed out in your urine. It's a brilliant detox trick. The liver also makes most of the important proteins in your blood, like albumin, which prevents swelling, and clotting factors that stop you from bleeding too much from a small cut. For fats, the liver helps burn fat for energy. But if you eat too much, it converts the excess into fat for storage. It also produces cholesterol and packages it for transport around the body. Your liver is your body's most advanced filter. It constantly cleans your blood. It breaks down and removes medicines and alcohol. This is why too much alcohol is so harmful. It overloads this system. It clears out old, worn-out red blood cells. The yellow pigment from these cells is called bilirubin. The liver processes it and sends it out. If this process fails, bilirubin builds up, causing your skin and eyes to turn yellow, a condition we know as jaundice or pilia. Special cells called Kupffer cells act like security guards, eating up bacteria and germs that come from your gut. The liver produces a greenish liquid called bile, which is stored in a small bag called the gallbladder. When you eat fatty food, the gallbladder releases bile into your intestines. What does bile do? Imagine you have a big glob of oil in water. They don't mix, right? Bile acts like a detergent. It breaks down the big fat globules into tiny droplets, so your body can easily digest and absorb the fat and the important fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Bile is also the route through which the liver sends its waste, like extra cholesterol and bilirubin, out of the body through your stool. Such a hardworking organ can also fall sick if we don't take care of it. Let's look at some common illnesses. Fatty liver disease. This is becoming very common. It happens when too much fat builds up in the liver cells. It's often linked to obesity, diabetes, and high cholesterol. It can be reversed with lifestyle changes in the early stages. Hepatitis. This means inflammation of the liver, usually caused by viruses, hepatitis A, B, C, alcohol, or medicines. Cirrhosis. This is a serious condition. If the liver is damaged repeatedly over many years by alcohol, hepatitis viruses, etc., healthy liver tissue is replaced by scar tissue. This scar tissue cannot function, leading to liver failure. It's often irreversible. Liver cancer, cancer that starts in the liver. Jaundice. As we discussed, it's a symptom where the skin turns yellow due to high bilirubin. Which doctor to see? If you have any concerns about your liver, like persistent fatigue, yellow eyes, pain in the upper right abdomen, you should consult a gastroenterologist or a hepatologist. These are specialists in digestive system diseases and liver diseases, respectively. You can start with your family physician who will guide you. The good news is that you can keep your liver healthy and happy with some simple habits. Let's talk about liver-loving foods and activities. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli. These support your liver. Black coffee without sugar may help reduce liver fat. Green tea provides antioxidants that support liver function. Garlic and turmeric, anti-inflammatory helpers for your liver. Beetroot and carrots, rich in nutrients that aid detox pathways. Walnuts and olive oil, healthy fats that your liver prefers. Citrus fruits, lemon, orange, and mosambi boost natural detox enzymes. And water. Hydrate well to keep your liver working smoothly. The liver loves good blood flow and oxygen. Aerobic exercise. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming for 30 minutes a day help burn triglycerides for fuel and can reduce liver fat. Breathing exercise. Kapalbhati Pranayama. This skull-shining breath is excellent. It involves short, forceful exhales and passive inhales. It massages the internal organs, improves circulation to the abdomen, and helps in detoxification. So remember, your liver is a silent, forgiving organ that does hundreds of jobs to keep you alive. Treat it with respect. Feed it well, keep yourself active, and avoid overloading it with toxins like alcohol. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more such content. Don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Park and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching. Take care of your liver and it will take care of you.